Start. The control should not be slackened for a mint stop. Unless it is done, I am sure the lines on which these persons want the radio to develop will not be possible stop. Why I say that there should be perpetual vigilance on the part of Parliament is for this reason stop. If there is corporation, my honorable friend, the Minister of Information and Broadcasting will be the most happy person stop. He will have all the privileges which he is having now, and he will not have the necessity of coming before us to give answers to our questions and to submit to us reports. Stop. He will have all the privileges and very little responsibility for that stop. I say that the control which the Parliament exercises over the All India Radio at the time of the budget is sufficient to make these people wake up stop. It is sufficient to make these people active who are slack. It is sufficient for those people who practice nepotism to be fair. And if there is a corporation, the whole thing will go away, and we shall not have any control over the All India Radio stop. Now we have control over appointments through the Public Service Commission, and if we have a corporation, I do not think you will have that control stop. We have control over the All India Radio on account of the Public Accounts Committee and the Estimate Committee stop. My friend have said that the Estimates Committee has suggested 92 improvements to be made in the All India Radio stop. I think that shows how efficiently and how comprehensively the work has been done stop. When work of that kind is being done by the Estimates Committee and the Public Accounts Committee, and when the whole thing comes before the House, I do not see why we should have a corporation of this kind stop over.